In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Drive from starting automatically on Windows. If you've noticed your computer takes a bit longer to get going, or you simply prefer fewer apps launching the moment you sign in, this quick tweak will help. We're going to use Task Manager's Startup tab to turn off Google Drive's auto start behavior. It's safe, reversible, and takes less than a minute. Begin by opening Task Manager. Press the Ctrl, Shift, and S keys at the same time, and you should see Task Manager appear on your screen. This tool shows what's running on your system and gives you a simple way to control startup apps. Along the top, click the tab labeled Startup. This section lists the programs Windows is allowed to launch automatically when you sign in, along with columns that show their current status and estimated startup impact. Now, look through the list to find Google Drive. Depending on your version, it may appear as Google Drive or Google Drive for Desktop. Once you've located it, right-click the entry to bring up a small menu, then click Disable. That's the key action. You'll immediately notice the status column for Google Drive changed to Disabled, which confirms the new setting has been applied. Disabling here does not uninstall Google Drive or remove your files. It simply stops Windows from launching it automatically. You can still open Google Drive whenever you need it, and it will work normally. The only difference is that it won't start by itself at login, which can reduce background activity and help your desktop feel ready sooner. When you're done, close Task Manager. There's nothing more to save. Your change takes effect right away and will persist across restarts. The next time you boot your computer, Google Drive won't launch on its own. If you rely on Drive syncing continuously, just remember that after disabling startup, syncing begins when you open the app manually. A quick note: the Startup tab is a great place to manage other auto start apps as well. Trimming down the list can improve startup speed and reduce distractions, and it's generally a low-risk adjustment because you are not removing software, just telling Windows not to launch it automatically. Some managed or work devices, you might find that changes are restricted by your organization. In that case, the disable option could be unavailable. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.